In late August of 2020, I brought the car into a mechanic and I asked him to go through absolutely everything because I was preparing to be on Fuel Run during Monterey Car Week. I said, find any faults whatsoever and let's go ahead and get them fixed or replaced, whatever has to happen. The following is his inspection from what he saw when he was under the car.
Okay, so this is our transmission, transaxle assembly. It's your catalytic converter. All that looks great. Axles look good. Suspension looks really good. Everything's nice and tight. Control arms, ball joints, brake pads look good. Transmission looks great. Hydraulic pump looks great. That's nothing. And then coming over here to the engine, the bolts, you know, they're not perfect, but it's not the end of the world. This belt absolutely needs to be replaced now. I've got one coming from the manufacturer tomorrow. You see it's got a groove in the center. You can see all those cracks. Front diff looks awesome. Hardware looks good. Rack and pinion looks great. No leaks both sides. Axle shafts look fine. CV boots look fine. Suspension looks great. Ball joints, control arms, everything looks good. Hydraulics look great on rack and pinion.
I knew carbon buildup was going to be an issue, so I had the intake manifold taken off. He walnut blasted all the intake ports and valves and then reassembled with new gaskets.